Anong age mo gusto mag-retire? So alam mo, may na-realize lang ako nung pinost ko tong poster nito sa Facebook account ko. Nakalagay PH retirement age is 65. Usually 65 tayo nagre-retire. And then the average life expectancy is 78 kung aabot ka ng 78. So basically we're working for 45 to 50 years to maybe enjoy 13, di ba? Pag nag-retire ng 65 hanggang 78 mabubuhay. Ang iksi nun. So, parang why retire at 65 or why 65 lang para mag-enjoy? So, dapat we should be able to enjoy our life now and start preparing for that. So, ang key doon, financial planning for your retirement na we should be starting now. There's a 2020 rule in retirement that if you wanna enjoy 20 years man lang ng retirement, you gotta prepare for 20 years before, 20 years ahead. So if you wanna retire at 55, dapat 35 pa lang nag-start ka ng mag-ipon at mag-plan. Para hindi kailangan malaki at mabigat ang pagpaplano at pagpe-prepare. Pwedeng maliit lang, you start small, but you start right and you start early, right? And we have different solutions, no? Pwede kang mag-invest sa stock market, pwede kang lakihan mo yung business mo, of course, napaka-important niyan. We have products in AIA na after 6 years, na may nasisimula yung natatanggap ka ng pera, pwedeng every year, pwedeng every 2 years, like the A+ signature and the Ascend, our endowment plan, tapos may lump sum at age 65, pwedeng ganon. Or kung gusto mo hanggang age 100 ang payout, pwede rin ganon. So what I mean lang is, whatever age we are right now, pag lumapag ka na ng 30 siguro, pag lumapag ka na ng 30, dapat iniisip mo na yung retirement mo. You should be starting to think, what can I do to prepare for retirement? How much can I save? How much can I allocate for my retirement plan? So ikaw, kung ikaw tatanungin ko, ilan yung kaya mong i-save, i-allocate for your future retirement? Dapat meron eh. O ano yung game plan mo for retirement? Kindly share in the comment section, tapos pagkwentuhan natin yan.